Putting into service, insert a SIM card to the DAXView Mini. Attach the power supply RS485 device, digital I/O wire to the terminal. Note that the terminals are removable for ease of assembly wiring. The power on LED will be lit. The run LED will start to blink after system initialization, and the 4G LED will light up when the cellular network is registered. We have connected a power meter to port 1 of the RS485 channel, and the blinking RXTX LED indicate live reading are transmitted to the DAXView Mini. You have now successfully commissioned the DAXView Mini, and it is recording the power meter reading and will send notification of digital input trigger